And we've got some breaking news coming in on the Jayaraj and Benix custodial death case from Tuticorin in Tamil Nadu. Inspector Sridharan of the Sathankulam police station has been suspended by the department. He was the inspector when this alleged torture and death took place. He was initially put on the wait list and then he was transferred to another department unit. Now he's been suspended from duty for two men being brutally tortured to death on his watch. Shalini Lobo with me live for more. Shalini, bring us the details on this fresh suspension of the inspector.
Well, Shiv, this is the fifth person who's being suspended in the Jayaraj Benix custodial death case from Thoothukudi, but so far no FIR has been filed in this particular case. On being asked, people are saying that there is a magistrate probe, a judicial probe into the matter, and depending on that, an FIR will be charged further. However, this is the fifth suspension in the Jayaraj Benix case, but people are still expressing anger, people are still expressing uproar, saying that a suspension in the matter will not be enough. The inspector, Sridhar, has been suspended, two SIs have been suspended, and two other police personnel, constables as well, have been suspended in this particular case. Yesterday, last night, post 9 p.m, we had the judicial magistrate who has been appointed into the inquiry on this particular case go to the Kovilpatti sub-jail, where they did speak to the officials on duty who were there when Jayaraj and Benix was taken in to jail. They asked them of their condition. They asked them to show them the jail records. They also spoke to a few inmates, is what we're hearing, who happened to see Jayaraj and Benix when they were brought into the Kovilpatti sub-jail. They've also asked for relevant CCTV footage as well that they can take as part of their inquiry. Today, since noon, they have been at the Sathankulam police station as well, speaking to people, speaking to various personnel over there, asking them if there's any CCTV footage they can seize, and also looking through records to see what they might take as part of this inquiry and try to fit the pieces as to what exactly happened that day in the police station when both father and son were there, because you have allegations coming in from the family and the advocates who were waiting outside the police station that day, saying that when they went to the police station, the father and son were beaten black and blue, and there was a lot of blood. They were swollen. There were injuries on their body when they received the bodies. So right now, there's an investigation into the same. And today, we also have news of a fifth suspension in the matter, but all eyes on the government to do more and take sterner action to ensure no such custodial deaths take place in Tamil Nadu again.
Okay, thanks very much, Shalini, for getting us the very...
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.